In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Nike discount codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Nike discount code. Right here, open this website, which is couponfollow.com. And as you can see right here, we have a list with different type of promo codes that we can use. For example, as you can see right here, if I want to get this free shipping offer, all I have to do is select get this deal right here. And for this promo, there is no code required. Basically, if I'm going to select continue to this offer right here, it will redirect me to the Nike website and the promo code will be automatically applied. Also, going back to our main search right here on Google, as you can see, we have this one, which is vouchercodes.co.uk. That is another website. And as you can see right here, we have a list with other promo codes that we can use. For example, if I want to get this promo code with 20% off my next purchase, all I have to do is select get code right here. And this is a discount code that I can use in order to get my discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.